Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mahua for class 5 grammar. Myself Nimisha Mehta. We have started chapter 20 as a comprehension, the karate parrot, in our previous lecture. Today we will study about its exercises. Do you know karate means action with hands and feet? Okay, so the karate parrot. In this story, Sunil, Anil and Bhisham were three friends and they visited the cafe, Moby's Cafe on Church Street, and they discussed about their talk. And Sunil said his friends about his wife Susmita always wanted a pet, and Susmita visited a shop and purchased a pet karate parrot. Whatever they ordered, this parrot followed. So the parrot flew into the air and began to attack the chair. Informed by his men, it squawked and fluttered up and down. In a matter of seconds, the chair was reduced to a pile of shattered pieces of wood. Shattered pieces of wood means broken in many pieces. Then the parrot flew back to the assistant. Assistant, do you know? Those who guide, those who kept. And Sunil's wife immediately paid for the parrot and brought it home. She took out a box and gave the instructions: parrot, karate box. Immediately that parrot destroyed the box. When Sunil reached home, the parrot and Susmita were sitting in the drawing room. She told Sunil that she had brought it for 1,000 rupees. Sunil was shocked and asked her what was special about it. Susmita told him that it was a karate parrot. Karate parrot? And Sunil cried in disgust, means dislike, and disbelief, mistrust. Sunil did not keep trust in that parrot. Parrot, karate, my foot. Then this parrot caught these words and he attacked the Sunil and his foot. So as per that, we studied here. Choose the correct answer. Sunil's wife Susmita always wanted a pet. The shop assistant recommended a parrot that knew karate tricks. Susmita bought the parrot for 1,000 rupees. What did the parrot do with the chair? It shattered the chair completely. Broken, shattered means. It also attacked a box and Sunil's foot, because Sunil spoke out these words, my foot. Then parrot attacked. Find words from the passage which mean the same as shackily, unsteadily, made an appeal, pleaded, advised, recommended, broken, shattered, strong feeling or dislike, disgust. As per that comprehension, here answer the following questions. Name the friends who met in the cafe. Sunil, Anil and Bhisham met in the cafe. What was Sunil's view about keeping pets? Sunil did not like to keep pets as they lived in a flat. He felt that dogs need open spaces and cats need to come in and go out as they please. How did the shop assistant demonstrate the parrot's skill? The shop assistant demonstrated what the parrot could do. He placed an old chair in the middle of the shop and brought the caged parrot. He opened the door of the cage and the parrot climbed onto his arm. He ordered to parrot, "Karate chair." The parrot flew into the air and began to attack the chair. In a matter of seconds, the chair was reduced to a pile of shattered pieces of wood. This was the skill of parrot. How did Susmita test the parrot's ability? Susmita took out a box and gave the instructions parrot karate box, and the parrot destroyed the box. Why did the parrot attack Sunil? The karate parrot always followed the instructions. When Sunil cried, "Parrot karate," and that bird attacked his foot. Okay, I hope you understand this comprehension exercises. I already sent this PDF. So write down in your notebook. And also now we study one by one chapter exercises in detail. Okay, thank you.